So without wasting our time, we're going to be kicking off this meeting right now. So I want to welcome every single person joining us in tonight's meeting. Please, if today is your first time of joining tonight's meeting, just go head over right now. Right, it's my first time. Go right now. Right, it's my first time. If today is your first time of joining tonight's meeting, joining us on Zoom, just right, it's my first time. Please, let's do that quickly. Go immediately. Right, it's my first time. Oh, amazing. I see a few persons joining us for the very first time. Go right, it's my first time, please. And if you can hear me loud and clear, just kindly go right now, spin the love emoji. If I am very much audible, go spin the love emoji. All right, let's do that quickly. Spin the love emoji because we want to start tonight. All right. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Thank you so much, guys. So today, we want to learn something very, very important, and I want you to pay attention. Tonight's meeting, I'm going to actually take my time to break it down step by step. I'm not going to jump any step, so everybody can actually grasp every bit of the training. Now, I want to beg you for something before we start. I know we are here to learn something, and what brought all of us here is to learn a business model that can allow you to make money on the internet space. Now, you are just not just learning a business model, you are actually learning a new skill, a new digital skill that can help you make money from the internet space. So now, having said that, in this class, there is something you're going to do for me. You will make sure you avoid every distraction. I know some of you probably you might be in a meeting right now. Some of you might be in a round table. If I on the mic of everybody, you're going to see some persons are in a very noisy environment, and you're not going to learn anything if you are maybe distracted. So make sure that you're focused. You see, I'm just all alone right in front of you, having this conversation with you guys or this meeting. Now you have to be all alone, or at least be in a quiet place, in a calm environment, so you can be able to take what you're going to be learning tonight. Now, having said that, next thing is get access to a smartphone. I believe you have your smartphone. You are actually watching your smartphone, so you might not actually be seeing my screen notes. You can take note of some things that I'm going to be teaching tonight. Now, having said this, let's start the meeting. First, let me give you a quick introduction. My name is Gideon, popularly known as Young Money or Young Millionaire. I'm a full-time digital coach, and I've been in this space since 2012. Now, the business we want to learn today have to do with cryptocurrency, how to make money with cryptocurrency. Now, I know some of you who are quite new in the crypto world might be cryptocurrency. Probably you might be thinking right now, what do you want to teach me about crypto? Some of you probably have lost money trading crypto or trying to, find your way to make money in the crypto world. Now, this is not one of the things you've learned in the previously, and also this is not one of the things you've done in the past. So this is actually something that I am sure we give you not just an extra value, but we put you on a pedestal to help you make money if you can actually grasp everything that will be detailed here tonight. So I'm begging you to pay attention to what we're going to be learning tonight. So now, the journey we want to talk about have to do, as I said earlier, with cryptocurrency, making money in crypto using artificial intelligence. However, I'm not going to be measuring on the artificial intelligence alone tonight. I'm going to be teaching you something new, and here starts the training. Crypto world is very vast. I know most of you guys have probably heard about crypto, or you are new in crypto. It's too big, it's too vast. There are so many ways to make money in the crypto space. Some of the ways to make money in crypto space, number one, which is a major one we're going to be talking about tonight, is called trading. Now, we also have what we call Launchpad. We have what we call Launchpool. We have what we call ICOs. We have ICOs, initial coin offering. We have IDO, initial decentralized exchange offering. We have IEOs, initial exchange offering. Then we have what we call, holding, right? More of like investment, buying a particular crypto coin and holding it for a long time. And then so many other ways you can make money in the crypto space. So tonight, I am going to be talking about two, and I'm going to be teaching you the two. If time permits us, we're going to be learning practical ways to make money using these two. Number one, I want to talk about is trading. Then by the time I'm done with the trading section, I'm going to talk about the second one, which is called IDO and Launchpad. So the tools we're going to be using to cover for this training, number one, I said it's your smartphone, your internet-enabled smartphone. Number two, you have to download a crypto exchange, which I'm going to show you. For tonight's meeting, we must be using Binance. Now, I know most of you guys are not using Binance, but I'm going to use Binance to do my illustration on Binance and Bybit to do my illustration for tonight. So because what I'm going to be teaching you guys when it comes to the IDOs and the Launchpad have to do with, I'm going to be using Binance and Bybit to do the example. So having said that, I'm going to share my screen so we can actually get into the practical. If you are still with me, please do me a favor by actually spinning the clapping emoji, not the love emoji. I just want to be sure that you are still with me. So head over right now, spin the clap. Oh, beautiful. I'm still talking. I see a lot of people always spinning the clapping emoji. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Amazing. Amazing, guys. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Oh, amazing. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You can see what you're doing. This is amazing. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, thank you. Okay, so we're gonna kick off right now. Now, this is the robot we are going to be using to trade, to learn and to trade the crypto market. So this is you trading robots. I'm going to be using this robot to trade the crypto market. But before then, I just want to give you a background of these robots and then talk a little bit about the Bullrun. And then we head over now to the practical section. Let me just do that before, so we won't come back to do that again. Now, listen. Last year, I started using this robot to trade. Before then, I've been trading crypto since 2014, and I've tried using a couple of robots to trade crypto to trade the crypto markets. And at the time, I was fed up. I felt robot cannot trade. I'm a technical, fundamental, and sentimental analyst in the crypto world, so I trade crypto, all arms of crypto. Now, I trade both the sports and the futures trading, but there is something. Because of my busy schedule, sometimes I needed to, be up my game. Trading is quite hectic. You need to always be available to be able to do the analysis. And because of this, I have to actually look for alternative. That was what gave birth to start using robot to trade. Now, the robot I'm going to be talking about today is called U-Trading Robot, as I said earlier. Before then, I have used robots like KafaBot, I have used NCBuy, I have used many other robots, I've used RoyalQ, and so many other different robots to trade the crypto markets that actually didn't work out for me. So the best robots that actually do work out is U-Trading robots. Now, U-Trading robot trade both the sports market and the futures market for you. It's a bit kind of, let me not use the word complicated, but it's a bit advanced. It's the most advanced robot you can find right now in the internet space because it comes with different tools, different indicators. It comes with more than 20 indicators. I'm going to show you, right? So those who are in the crypto world will understand what I mean. But the good thing about this robot is that it trades the futures market and it trades like a pro. Like a pro, it can give you profit regardless of the market direction. So the robot allows you to make money regardless of the. Please, the person sharing the screen, I'm going to remove you from this meeting. If I see you share the screen again, I'm going to remove you. Now, the robot trades both the sports market and the futures market for you. Now, the spot market means that you are like an investor who just buy a particular crypto coin and you are holding. This robot will trade the spot for you and it trade both the futures market for you. So now we are going to come back to show. I'm going to come back to show you practical step on how you can be able to set up a trade with the robot. Every single thing you need to know about the robot to trade with the robot. So, but before then, let me quickly head over to something. The crypto space, what you call the coin market cap, that is a marketplace where you see all the crypto coin, to show you one or two things before we head over to the robot. Now, I told you guys that tonight's meeting is a dual meeting. We're going to learn Launchpad, we're going to learn IDOs, and we're going to learn the robots. So, and you need to pay attention to grab everything that I'm going to teach tonight. And definitely, we might have more than 1 hour to spend in this meeting. Right? Now, let me say this to you. You need to pay attention to what I want to teach. If making $1 million in 12 months is not too big for you. Now, by the special grace of God, with this robot, we have done over $1 million in the past 12 months. Personally, in the past 12 months, using this robot we want to show you today. And I'm going to, and also leveraging on other things I want to show you in the crypto, not just the robots, other things I want to show you tonight in the crypto space. So I'm going to be showing you every single thing, hiding absolutely nothing. Now, in the crypto world, there's something we call the bull run. The bull run is an event that happens every 4 years in the crypto world. I said every 4 years, right? I'm coming. I want to share this screen. I want to see if I can be able to have my annotation table so I can be able to take notes in this meeting. Okay. Let's know if we can do that. Sign to work with. Okay, it's not working out. Now, there's something we call the bull run. The bull run is actually a program that happens every 4 years in the crypto world. It's a season whereby we have what we call Bitcoin halving, which means the supply of Bitcoin, the mining capacity of Bitcoin is being reduced by 50%. So to be able to reduce the supply by 50%. And now, by literal economists, we know that the higher the demand, the higher the more the price go up. And when supply is too much, it reduces the price. So to be able to make sure that the price of Bitcoin continue rising every time, this technology is being put in place to reduce the supply of Bitcoin and the mining capacity of Bitcoin by 50%. So now, if one Bitcoin is mined every 4 years, like say this year now, being 2025, by the next 4 years, this process will go through again, and we're not going to have half a Bitcoin. So I'm just trying to use the little and the literate layman language that anybody can understand. Now, this helps us to, it gives room to, a hype and a pump in the market, because people know that this is going to happen. People want to buy Bitcoin every time that this Bitcoin halving cycle is going to happen. I witnessed the first one fully in 2016 to 2017. I heard about it. I was just a year before I started crypto. It happened before then. Then full time, I witnessed a full time bull run 2016 to 17, and it was then 2017 Bitcoin moved from nowhere to hit first time $20,000 December 2017, and then the next bull run was 2020, and it ended in 2021. And then Bitcoin, after hitting $20,000, went so down and went down to almost $8,000. Now, move from that particular time, from that particular price, because it was another bull run, another 4 years, 2020, from 2016. By 2021, Bitcoin hit a price of $69,000, almost $70,000 for one Bitcoin. Now, pay attention. That was not all. Another 4 year cycle is here, which is, it started 2024 and it's ending this year, 2025. Now, after Bitcoin hits $69,000 in that time, it went so down again to even $15,000. And from $15,000, right now, Bitcoin is over $117,000 today. Now, it has touched another all-time high of $123,000 about 2 weeks ago or so. Now, and we are not yet done. So, this 4 year cycle, after that season, 1 year program we call the bull run, there is something what we call the bear market. To have a 2.5 years recess mode, which is called what? The bear market, or let me say a 3 year bear market. We're going to be seeing Bitcoin going down and down and down. It's going to go up, down, down, but it's going to be a down moment all through that 2.5 years or 3 years. And for the next 1 year and a half, we're going to have what you call is a run-through moment where people are going to, price of Bitcoin is going to go up or up. Now, why am I giving you this breakdown? It might look boring to some persons who already know, and to some others who don't know, it might be like, what is my business about? Bitcoin going up and down. It's a season we create wealth. It's a season we build wealth. And we are in such season again. And in fact, we are in that time, not just the season, we are actually in that moment. Season, bigger scale, the time, a medium scale, the moment, immediately. Like it's happening right now. So I am going to give you this testimony and then show you something and we start practicals. In 2020, I had a student. I used to have a group chat, which I call the signal group, where I give people signals, to trade. I had this place, I got some signals and they gave some quality signals. I do also analyze my own and give. And they gave us some coins that people should buy and hold for the bull run. Then that time bull run. And some of the coins were Shiba Inu, some of the coins were Wakanda Inu, which I believe some of you know. Some of the coins were QNT, that is Quant. Some of the coins were Cake. Some of the coins, there are many of them they gave out then. However, very few of them, let me say about 60% of them, not really few, did magic. Now, I purchased one of these coins with $20, another one with $50. Now, one of the ones I purchased with $20 gave me a profit of $11,400. I'll share this testimony countless times, and I'm just saying this again. $20 capital. In few months after, yielded $11,400 for me. But I normally post the coin in my group and ask people to go and buy. So when I want to sell, I'll tell them to sell. So, however, I asked people to sell because I wanted to sell. But some few persons did not sell. And one guy, which happens to be one of them, didn't sell. This young man, Mr. Ephraim, used to be a taxi driver, what we call an Uber driver right now, but he does taxi. He purchased this particular coin with $50. The name of the coin is called Shiba Inu. Another one is called Cake, owned by Pancake Swap. When I asked them to sell the coin, he knew. He was very much close to me physically. He's not a distant student. He's someone I know. Like, he comes to my house. He said he's not going to sell. So Mr. Ephraim didn't sell this coin. He instead held. He said he want to see to the end of it, because I also tell them that you can sell small and leave some. We have seen that Shiba Inu, imagine his $50 giving him some profit, my $20 giving me, $11,000, but he didn't sell. However, something happened. By 2021, this same coin that this guy did not sell gave him over 400 million naira. He gave him over $600,000. I mean, a coin that he didn't sell. He purchased with $50. Now, when people hear this kind of a thing, it sounds like it's not real. It sounds unreal to you, but it is so true. Funny enough, that guy would have made over $1 million, from that particular coin if he didn't still sell when he sold, because the coin still went more higher. He made $600,000. Then the dollar was around 700 or something or so. I can't remember. He made over $600,000 profit from a $20 investment. Now, do you know why that happened? It wasn't because I gave out the coin. Anybody could give out the coin who understood the crypto market. It was because he sold at the prime time. Now, there are two things you're going to be learning today: how to buy at the right time and how to sell at the right time. You can buy at the right time and didn't sell at the right time and you didn't make money. That is for crypto investors who want to invest in the bull run. Remember, I'm not talking about trading right now. I'm talking about making money by what? Buying and holding. Now, three things. One, knowing the right coin to buy, because you can never get the right one on social media, not on YouTube. Two, knowing when to buy that right coin. And the third thing, knowing when to sell that coin. Even myself missed the perfect time to sell in the last bull run. And I have so much advanced myself right now that I know what to do. You can never catch it all, but if it is now, definitely I know the best thing to do. And that is what we have been teaching our students, and you're going to also be learning today. So Let me just show you quickly about that. But if you are still enjoying the session, even though we've been doing more of talking, just see, give me the love emoji. Let's do that quickly. If you are still enjoying the session, give me the love emoji. Thank you. I'm seeing what you're doing. Amazing. Thank you, everybody on the love emoji. You can see it's spinning up everywhere. Thank you. All right. Now, let me go here. Oh, sorry. This is, I need to move from here. This is actually CoinMarketCap. I want to go to the homepage of CoinMarketCap right now, which we are. So I want to give you an overview on this coin. This is Shiba Inu. You can see the coin. Let me just, where is actually my drawing board? I can't really find it. I don't know why it's not here. I'm trying to look at it or look for it. I need it. Please let me share the screen again because I must use it for this meeting. Let me share the screen again. Sharing screen. Okay, now I have it. Now, this is Shiba Inu. I am actually going to, click on it. If I click on Shiba Inu and I scroll down right here, this is the coin. I did one of the magic here. And I click on more information. That is this place you're seeing. More information. Now, what can you see right in here before you? Where does this thing always go to hide? This is not it. Don't know where. Okay, this is it. Let me carry it up. Now, what can you see? You will discover that, look at this zone. Look at this. All-time low. Sorry. Can you see it? All-time low, if you are looking at it. And look at all-time high. So look at the date here. All-time high and the date of all-time low. So around October 28, 2021, so from around, that was when we had the all-time high. We had the all-time low around September 1st, 2020. So it is, you can see that it is between 1 year and 1 month, or 1 year, 3 weeks. Between 1 year, 3 weeks, because it was the bull season, right? This coin called Shiba Inu gave a profit of 15 million percent. It was actually 16 million, but it has gone so down this period. It gave a profit of, look at it here. Look at figures here. Count it. Count the figures. You can see it is 15 million, 7, 1, 4, 5, 7, 1, 4, another comma 4. You can see 5, 2, 6. 15,714,000% profit. Look at on your screen. Look at your own screen. You can zoom it. You see that is exactly what it is. 15,714,000% profit. What does it mean? I normally do a quick calculation with you guys so you understand what we're talking about. This is a big deal, guys. It's a big deal. So if I now head over to my calculator, right? And I said, okay, that's, let's say this guy purchased this coin with $10. He purchased this coin with $10 at all-time low. Multiply by 15 million 714 14714, yes, 526%. How much will you be making percent? You'll be making around $1.5 million. That is how much you will be making if you would have held this coin till now. I mean, for that 1 year. In 1 year, if you purchase this coin around October, why I want to spoil your mind again, I want to pour up your mind again, is because of what we want to learn tonight. You need to take it very serious. If you purchase around this zone and you sold around this zone, now, this happened because it was the bull run. The bull run. It was the bull run, and it was the height of the bull run at that particular time. Now, this is just one of the coin. Let's look at another quick example again. People don't understand the power. You see, let me tell you guys, don't be blinded by the earning, by the money you are making in your trading. See, let me tell you the truth. If you have $1,000 to trade, for example, for you to make $1 million, I can tell you what is going to take you and how long it's going to take. I'm a trader. To turn $1,000 trading capital to $1 million. You want to do it in a very short period of time, you must be a thief. And you might want to risk out the money. It's going to take you a long time. But with this bull run, in this bull run, knowing the right thing to do, you can do this even with $10. However, let's look at this. Let's now look at another coin. If that guy purchased Shiba Inu with $100, he would have been making around how much? Around $50 million. $50 million. Okay, that is by the way. Now, let's look at another coin. I am going to look at, let's look at this coin. Let's look at Pancake Swap. It's called Cake. The name of the coin is called Cake. The coin is owned by Pancake Swap. Look at it here. It's owned, that is the name here. It's owned by Pancake Swap. It's actually a decentralized exchange platform that trades inside. They have its own trading web, and it can also trade in most wallets like Trust Wallet and etc. Now let's look at this. If I click on more information and I come here right now, you will see that Pancake Swap had its all-time low September 29, 2020. It's always all-time low. It's always a year of the bull run. I told you guys, I've been shouting like a madman from the time this bull run started last year. Most of you guys have been old-time followers, have been here. And you're going to see my shout result very soon, just a few months from now. You're going to see the result in full time. Some of you guys have started seeing it already, but you're going to see the full result very soon. Now, look at the date, September 29. I didn't make these figures. These are real. You can make your research. September 29, 2020. By April 2021, what then happens? This coin moved from the all-time low of $2. Okay, sorry, not even $2. I'm sorry. Let me leave this. He moved from his all-time low to going to, because this is 24 hours chart, to going to an all-time high of, look at the all-time low, look at the price. Let me bring it in, of all-time low of 0.0002318. That is not even up to 1 cent. Imagine 3 zeros before a number. And by April, not up to 1 year, around 8 months or so, the coin gave a move to $44 per one. One of these coins that was watching 0.000 something now became $44. And this coin gave a profit of over 1.19 million%. You can see here 1199. Put another comma. 003. 1.199% profit. That was what this coin did in, actually, within that particular period, because markets have actually slopped before then. Let me say it did a profit of almost 2 million%. Now, the question is this: how can you be able to participate in this bull run to buy a coin like this again? However, I'm not asking you to go and buy Shiba Inu or Cake. Shiba Inu can never do what he did in the last bull run. There are other coins that will do that. However, Cake is still a good buy if you want to buy. Yeah, it's not a bad buy. It have a lot of utility. It's a good coin. You can still buy. QNTK can still good coin, but there are better ones right now that I invoke. These coins, this was just the period they were bettered. That bull run, they were bettered around that bull run. So maybe before we run up to this meeting, I will give you one coin that was bettered last year, somewhere around last year, that I believe, or one or two coins. You can make your research around them. I'm not giving you financial advice. It's your personal decision, but you can make your research around them. But I can tell you that I believe so much. We do massively well, more than Shiba Inu and Cake together. And I think it's time to drop those coins. This particular two I'm talking about, I haven't dropped it in the inner group, in the 10K group yet. Maybe I'm going to drop on the 10K group. That I can guarantee you we do more than what Shiba Inu and Cake has done together, or combined together. Now, what we want to do today is to be able to learn how anybody, an ordinary person who is interested in making money, can learn a skill set on the internet space around cryptocurrency. Now, to be able to learn how to trade, remember, to be able to learn how to trade and to be able to also grab the opportunity of the moment, which is the bull run. The bull run is the opportunity of the moment. So two things. Then, lastly, to also be able to grab, get knowledge on Launchpad and how to utilize it. So, can we actually achieve this three? Yes, we can. So let me head over to the robots. Once we are done with the robots, I'm going to actually head over to the Launchpad, and I will show you how to make money with Binance Wallet, not Binance Exchange. I didn't say Binance Exchange. I said Binance Wallet. How to do IDOs, precisely IDOs in Binance Wallet, and make huge amount of money with it, even if you have very small capital. That is what I'm going to teach in the end of this meeting, or towards the ending of the meeting. For now, let's learn how to use the most powerful crypto robots to trade the crypto market like a pro and make money like a pro. So far, I want to be sure you are also enjoying the training, because I want to share the screen again. If you are, why don't you put the clapping emoji for me again? Put the clapping emoji. Oh, beautiful, 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 beautiful. I can see clapping emoji everywhere. Thank you, Stanley, John, Sean. A lot of names. They are just flying up. Courage. So many names. So many names. So here, I might not be able to mention your name, but I want to thank you for, putting up the emoji. No, now let's head over to the robots. Now, we are here back again in this robots. So now, this is the robot we want to use to learn. And this robot is called U-Trading Robot. This robot is the most advanced robot I've seen so far, and the best robot when it comes to trading cryptocurrency anywhere in the world. Now, this robot works with different crypto exchanges across the world. Now, currently right now, this one is using Bybit. You can use Binance in this robot. You can use BitGet. You can use OKS. You can use Bitmat. You can use what? KuCoin, Next Exchange, Gate.io, HCS, Kraken Spot, Kraken Futures. You can use what? You can also use Binance US, Bitfinex, and BinkS. I just noticed that Coinbase has been removed, and I don't know, maybe they are working on getting back to Coinbase again. So you can see all these are different crypto exchanges you can use. Now, what is this? For the sake of newbies, these crypto exchanges are actually platforms where you can trade crypto. These are places you can trade crypto. They allow you to be able to trade cryptocurrency and make money. Now, Binance, for example, is the biggest financial institution in the whole world. Binance is trading more than any bank. The volume of Binance is trading in dollars is bigger than any bank in the world, including all the banks in the US. You trade billions of dollars per day, trillions of dollars every week. Now, to work with this robot, you must have one of these crypto exchanges All you need to do is to head over to your App Store or to your Play Store and download the exchange, register in it, verify it, and then do your KYC, know your customers, and you are then ready to ride with us. Having known that, the second thing you need to note is this. This robot, you have to use a means called API to connect this robot to your exchange. API connects. That is a means to tie the robot to your exchange so the robot can be trading for you. But quickly, let's look around. How does the robot trade? How can you use the robot to trade? So let me quickly look around it. If I come in here right now and I quickly click on trades, what can you see? You can see, I click on automated. You can quickly see that we have 4 kinds of trading here. 4. Are you seeing that? Please stop writing on the screen. Number 1 is called the automated trading. Number 2 is called the synchronized trading. Number 3 is called the manual trading. Or number 4 is called what? Number 3 is called the signal trading. Or number 4 is called the manual trading. Now, the automated trading is actually a means, just as the word implies, automated. You are not doing anything. The robot is going to be the one trading for you, doing the entire work for you. Your own is to come and see profit. However, this one, I don't like it. I don't like it. Like, I hate it with passion. It's not like I actually do. I really hate it, but I don't see why we have a means to make more money. Imagine having a means to make $30,000 monthly, for example. Imagine you have a means you can make $30,000 monthly trading with this robot, but you, instead of using that means, you prefer another means that can give you $500 monthly. So you are leaving $30,000 for $500. So I'm going to show you. Automated trading will never give you good profit. Their profit is slow but steady. And we have automated for spots and automated for futures. Automated trading is for those who don't have time, not for lazy people. Not lazy, but for those who are busy, not lazy. They are busy, so they don't have time. They want to use automated trading. But because you are busy, you don't want to look at the market at all, you should be comfortable with the small profit you have. However, if I click on automated trading for, let's say, futures, for example, let's look at it. You will see that the minimum capital required to trade the automated in futures trading right now is now $200. They have not given room for automated for $200. Before now, it used to be $500. It's $200. And with $200, you will use trading VIP 1 minimum. That means you cannot be making good money. Trust me, it will be very small. $500, you can also use trading VIP 1, but I recommend using trading VIP 2 so it can be faster for you. With $1,000, you can use at least trading VIP 2. That is minimum you can use. Minimum of this with trading VIP 3, minimum of this 4, and up to 6, minimum of this trading VIP 6. Now, the trading VIP gives you access to, the speed you can use in the robot. This account I am logged into right now have trading VIP 4. That is the reason why it did not open other ones for me. You can see other ones are locked. They are locked. So my trading VIP is 4. That is why other ones are locked. Now, so it simply means that before you can be able to use this robot, these automated features, you will have good capital and good speed in your robots. Now, let's look at the synchronized trading. The synchronized trading is what I don't use. I have not used it before, so I might not be able to teach you about it, but I don't want to go into it because it's called copy trading. And I always tell people that I had a terrible experience in copy trading in Forex when I was trading Forex. I used to be a big-time Forex trader, and I lost money in Ultra FX copy trading system. And even as a trader, I hated copy trading because copy trading means you are giving access to people to trade for you. And I hate that so much. People are going to be trading for you. So even though your money is here, but people are going to be trading for you. So the next one is called the signal trading. This is very powerful. These guys have powerful signals every single day. You trading guys give you powerful signals. Let's look at it. You can see their signals are so detailed, and it comes in every single day, and it's updated on 15 minutes time frame. You can see the last one was past 15 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes. This one was 30 minutes. And if I keep going, you will see that these are signals that were posted today. Let me scroll down. You can see as I'm scrolling down, it will shock you that to know that all these signals, over 100 signals you are seeing here, were all signals we are posted today. All these signals we are put. This one you can see just 1 hour ago. Are you seeing them? 1 hour ago, 1 hour ago. That is it. Amazing. 1 hour ago. They are 1 hour ago, guys. 1 hour ago. Can you see it? 1 hour ago, 1 hour ago. These are powerful. And I keep scrolling down. You can see all these are signals. Today's signals. Now, for people who don't know, what is signal? Signal are calculated parameters, that gives you an overview on the directions a particular crypto coin is going. You all know that crypto coins goes up and down. It go up and down. Now, because it's going up and down, you need to make money whether it's going up or whether it's going down. And to do that, these guys analyzes every 15 minutes. They will do analysis on the market, give you the recent directions the market is going. You can put your settings so they can do the settings for you every 5 minutes. Me, I use 15 minutes time frame on my own. You can change it to 5 minutes time frame. So every 5 you can change it to 1 hour time frame, but don't do 1 hour. You can either do 5 minutes or 15 minutes. It means every 5 minutes or every 15 minutes, they will give you updates on most coins that are moving and the directions they are moving. Let me give you an example. Let's go to the beginning, for example. Let's go to the beginning of the signals. Let me just go to recent signals that was just posted right now. So if I go, I'm still scrolling. Okay, this is it. This is the last signal that was updated 15 minutes ago. You can see, if I look at these signals, let me click on them. What can you see? This is a long trend signal. It's a future signal telling you that this coin is going up. They are going up. And if you doubt it right now, go to the chart on any of these coins. Look at 15 minutes ago to now on the direction of this coin. You will see that this coin has actually gone up. And this signal was given 15 minutes ago. And they told you that this coin is going to go up. They gave you the price, the current price of the coin that you should buy at that particular price. And all you need to do to actually trade this signal in your exchange is to come in here right now and click on launch. However, I had never adopted this pattern to click on launch here. The reason is because if you come here and you click on launch, as many do, many newbies teach you, if you click on launch, you are going to be trading this coin as if you don't have capital, as if you are using $10 trading capital. And imagine you are using $100 or $1,000 or even 10,000 or any capital at all. You will not be able to maximize profit. So what do you do to maximize profit on these signals? I will show you as we proceed. So these are different signals. If you want to see only the short signals, you can come and uncheck the spot and the long, and you will see only the short signals. So what can you see? It means that the only short signals that was given recently was BTC and SRP, as you can clearly see here. BTC was given short 1 hour ago, and SRP was also given 1 hour ago. They gave you the price 1 hour ago that BTC is going to go short. You can see the current price of BTC at the time and SRP at the time. And so if you want to see coins that was on long, you want to check only long. You will see that all these coins you are seeing here right now are coins that has been predicted to go long, all of them, in the time frame that it was given to you. And you can also trade only spots. You see that these are spot signals, which are also long signals. So this robot now and do accurate analysis using powerful different indicators and give you directions on where the market is going and how to buy. Now, let's assume you want to trade any of these signals. I'll give you another example. Let's say you want to trade this particular signal right now. Instead of coming to this place where you see long and click launch and clicking on launch, what do? You go to the manual section. This is the game changer for me. My household, my family, everybody, and this will be a blessing to you. You see, this manual I'm going was what has helped me to generate a profit of over $1 million in the past 13 months or so. Now, I'll click on manual. Now, this is manual. This manual comes with different robots. As you can clearly see, there are different robots you can use to trade this manual, about 10 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 different robots. Now, I am going to be focusing my energy and my explanation on just one of them, right? I'm going to be teaching you how to use one of the robots out of the 10 different robots. Of course, you can't use the 10 at once. You can only use one per time. And I want to show you the one I am using per time, per this time. Tomorrow, I'm going to switch another one. I will show you. That is why it's good you attend the meeting. Now, so many persons might be thinking I'm going to show you the Matinga. Nope. I am going to be teaching that in our subsequent training. I'm using that on my BitGet trading platform. So look at this. The one I'm using here is this one called the AI DCA. Can you see it? These two for spot trading. I use the AI DCA for spot, and for futures trading, I use the AI DCA Pro for futures trading. Right? So I am a fan of futures trading. Futures trading allow you to make money in two directions, whether market is going down or market is going up. And the truth is this, instead of me trading spot, I rather buy the coin and hold. Remove my eye. As we are in this bull run like this, as it is hot, buy the coin and hold. Now, but instead of me trading spot, I will better trade futures because futures give you leverage. Futures give you a lot of advantage to make money. Now, I'm going to come and select AIDCA for futures. When I select here, it will ask me, select the coins you want to trade. You can decide to select all category coins or top coins, highlight coins, layer 1 and 2 coins, and etc. So I told you guys that if you are a beginner, I always recommend trading layer 1 or 2 coins. In fact, I always want to trade layer 1 coins, right? Layer 1 coins, or at least layer 2 coins. Now, if you're not, you might also want to trade, let's say, select all the coins and select. Now, but I told you as well to trade the A category coins. These coins you are seeing A, because they are not volatile. Now, if you are using a high trading speed, if you are using TVIP 3 and above, you can trade the C coins. Now, the C coins are very volatile, meaning that they can pump, boom, and dump in a very short period of time. For the robot to be able to pick that directions and trade for you with that speed is moving, you need to use a speed bot or an advanced speed bot, higher speed bot. That is why I say use minimum of TVIP3 to trade speed coins and above. Now, personally, I trade the C coins because I have speed. I'm using this particular account. So one of my accounts is using trading TVIP5, another one is 6, and this one is 4. So now, I might want to select some coins I want to trade. Like this useless coin called Pengu has hype. This coin has been 1,000 bonk. I've been, doing massively well. They can, pump. Even H bar is a big coin, but it's not bad. If you are in the middle, you can trade here. You're using 540 you guys and above. You can trade coin like car. Okay, let me use hyper. Hyper has been pumping money. There was a day Hyper gave me $6,000 just in a single day, only Hyper. Now, $6,000 profit. Now, if I'm not selecting my coin, I'm going to click on confirm. But listen, if you are using TVIP1, because I know most people here are using TVIP1, meaning that you purchase 95 yogas. Now, you should use you should trade coins like Solana, SRP, Dodge. Listen, pay attention. Coins like you don't trade wife. You can actually, wife is not too volatile. Sui, other trade the A coins. Trade the A coins. That's what I mean. Trade the A coins alone, so that the robot can. That is one of the mistakes that some people are making. You are using a low speed bot and you want to trade a volatile coin. No. Trade volatile coins when you have, of course, we know that volatile coins are the one that will give you the kind of profit you are looking for. However, you shouldn't trade them if you don't have good speed. If you don't have good speed, look at this coin. Where's the coin? H. It's a C coin. Is pump money as well, very, very well. Now, having said that, I've selected some few ones I want to trade. All I need to do, let me just select some few ones that you guys might be familiar with as well. All I need to do is to click on what? Confirm. And once I click on confirm, it will bring me to this place. Now, there are two patterns. I taught one pattern in the last, that was last week, in our last week meeting, last week Monday, last 2 weeks Monday. I taught us how to use one strategy. I taught you guys how to use the indicator direction to trade. And I taught how to use on a single mood. Go and watch the video. It was a general meeting, like it was not a special meeting, it was a general meeting. Now I want to show you the same indicator direction, but another pattern. Now, pay attention. Now, I told you guys that this robot is advanced, and there are so many ways to use the robots. You see, when you come here, the first thing you're going to do for me is to make sure you quickly, if you're here and you want to use this strategy I'm showing you, look at the two differences. Last session, I taught you how to use DCA. Today, I want to teach you how to use AI DCA. They are not the same thing. The one that will give you more money is DCA. AI DCA is automated, but it's easier. Am I communicating? For example, if I click on DCA, it will not allow me because I have selected multiple coins per time. For me to use DCA, I have to select coin one by one, right? So I want to teach you how to use what? AI DCA. AI DCA meaning that AI will be doing most of the work for you. DCA means that you will do the setup yourself. Dollar cost average, you are going to do the first setup. It's like it's kind of a manual. You want to set up things. This one is better for me because it gives me more money. It gives me advantage of setup. But this one is easier for you. And it can also give you money if you understand it well. And it's easy to learn. So now, we're going to be using this one. And the video is in all the group chats on how to use this one. You can watch it. So let's use the DCA. Being here, the next thing I want to select is the direction. I am left with, what do I want to do? Do I want this robot to go to the market and trade long for me? Or go to the market and trade short for me? Or use indicator hedging and trade, meaning that it will trade both long and short at the same time. However, it is going to open the same trade at the same time, but it will be closing it according to the profit they are making. So you will remain floating, but whenever one make profit, it will close it and wait for the other to make profit for you. That is indicator hedge. Or you want the robot to trade indicator direction, meaning that the robot is going to scan using the advanced indicator, scan the direction of the market. If it is up, for example, like now that Ethereum is having an upsurge moment, and let's say I selected Ethereum, the robot is going to pick Ethereum. However, once Ethereum just begin to do like this, begin to go down, the robot will open another direction for you, which is the down moment, and start trading down. But there is a way you can trade it like a pro. And let me show you. I'll show you like a newbie, and I'll show you like a pro. Now, let's start as a newbie. As a newbie, I am going to select the indicator direction, and I want to select the exact indicator I want to use. There is the automatic indicator, and there is the signal indicator, and many other ones. If I click on this one, let me just click here so you can see it. This is bot will automatically confirm the direction using the most optimal indicator. UTR means the bot will confirm the direction only when the UTR confirms long or short signals. So if you are a newbie, a complete newbie who don't know anything, you, instead of you using the automatic indicator like this one, you will use the UTR indicator. Am I communicating? Yes, very simple. But if you look at this place, you say that it's telling me that some unsupported bots won't launch. However, it means it won't launch all the trade. But I can still use this feature even in automated, and I'm going to show you quickly. So I'm going to leave it in auto. And when I'm here, I'll come here, and it is not time for me to select the leverage I want to use. Very, very important. I'll come here. I told you guys before now that this leverage you are seeing here is called the nominal leverage. Now, this leverage is not actually the exact money you are borrowing. If you go to Binance, that is different between using trading in your exchange directly and using you trading to trade. If you are using you trading to trade, you are almost using zero risk. Why? Because of nominal leverage. I mean, when it comes to what? Leverage. I can drag this my leverage to the end and use 50x, which is the highest for these coins. Or I can use 30 or even 10. But if I then use 50x directly in my exchange to trade, I am going to be like, you can easily lose your money. But this robot gives you privilege to still borrow this kind of money and be safe. And I'm going to show you how. So I'm going to just drag it to the end and assume I want to use the highest leverage it's giving me here. And I'm going to click on save. What are you seeing here? Immediately I did that, it increased my money. Let me do it again. I'll come back, bring it to the lowest again, so you can see how much my money is here. If I go to the lowest, which is 1S, my exact money here is 3,000. Is it 37,000? 37,912 dollars. Are you seeing it here? That is the exact money you are seeing right in here in my exchange. It's showing me that I have in my Bybit, I have 37,912 dollars. Are you following? So it's trying to read how much I have in my exchange. Now, seeing this now, if I now say I want to use 50 years leverage, it means that it's telling me that it's going to multiply that amount times 50. It means that I can use up to 189,000, sorry, is it, I think so, 1 point something million dollars or so. 1, 2, 3, yes, around $1.8 million capital to trade. It means I have borrowed 50 times my capital, but I have not actually borrowed it, but it's telling me that I have the privilege to borrow it. So since I have not borrowed it, I'm not going to borrow it. I don't want to be in debt of such amount of money. So I am going to leave it at that. And once I'm here, I am going to click on this one you are seeing here. Opening condition, opening condition. Pay attention. If I leave it on immediately, listen to me. If I leave it on immediately, it simply means that immediately I launch this trade, this robot is going to do something. This robot will automatically open the trade for me. But instead of doing that, you can still decide to say, robots, trade signals. That's why I'm going to show you signals. Me, if I'm the one, I'm not going to trade the signals now. But for newbies, you might want to use this one, waiting for auto signals. For me, I'm going to open it immediately, and time will not permit me to tell you why I would prefer to do immediately. However, I'm going to make more money immediately. If I am going to wait for signals, it simply means that I will only make money when there is a signal in this coin in your trading app. Once there is a signal, the robot will trigger the signal for me automatically on any direction the signal is going. That is it for me. And I'll click on save. And because I want to show you how to do that as a newbie. So this is for newbies. For you're not a newbie, you've understood it. What I mean newbies, if you have been in my training and you've understood what you are in the inner group or 10K group, you've understood what gone through the trainings, you can then do the what immediately. Now, having said this, let's look at the second one. I'm going to come here. Very, very important. Very important. But I want to be sure that you guys are still following what I'm teaching. Hope I'm still following. Please, if you think you are still enjoying my session, spin the love emoji. Let's do that quickly. I want to be sure everybody's following. So let us play a little bit before we can. Let's not be too serious. Let's not be too serious, guys. Spin the love emoji. Oh, do that quickly, quickly. Thank you. I can see a lot of people spinning the love emoji. Now, we have 2 things to learn tonight. Let's continue. Because of our time, I'm going to continue. Now, once I am here, I need to understand that everything is almost automated because I can't be able to change most of the stuff because it's automated, right? So once I'm here, everything is almost automated. Now, I need to come here on this particular one where I have UTL trend. It's going to be because I choose UTL. You can see UTR is this indicator is basically to get signals. So you can use auto or none. But if you don't want to use extra condition, it means when it's buying the extra condition means if it's going to buy another for you, do you want it to still use UTR? In my own case, I always want you to use none. However, you might want it to use auto. So auto, it means that the bot is going to add position for you when there is a price gap. And if you have been in my training, you understand price gap and the rest of them. I have countlessly explained this. I might not be able to. So I'm going to use it at auto because I would prefer to use it at auto on extra condition or none instead of using UTR again on the extra condition. So running mode, very importantly, I am going to leave this by instead of leaving it as single. I am not ready to be opening to be doing this in every single day. I don't have time. Some other persons might leave it as single. Single means once all the trade closes, it will close them in profit and it will open them again. Me, I want to leave them in either circle by count or circle by day. So let's look at this. Let's first look at this one, circle by count. You can see how many times do you want it to circle. You can mention in circle by day. It means up to 30 days. I want to put this trade for me up to 30 days. And you can customize the number of days you also want it to trade for you. So I would say trade for me up to what? 30 days and click on save. So I want you to trade for me in up to 30 days and click on save. Now, I will now come here. there is something very important you are missing. But I am going to hold that for this meeting. I'm not going to talk about that now because not because I don't want to show it. You guys know me. I'm going to show you I don't like hiding anything in my training. I show you every single thing. It's because if I go here right now, it's going to take our time. Let me just show you something very quickly before then. I'll come back. We're going to come back to this place because we have a lot of things to cover tonight. I want to round up with you trading so we can head over to the next thing we want to do. Now, this robot, there is something I didn't tell you. This robot is free of charge. And you might think that all these settings that I've just done right now, they are difficult. They are not difficult. It's something you can do. It's something, remember, I'm doing these settings one. And it's going to run for 30 days for me. 30 good days. The robot will be trading for me until after 30 days, you take profit for me. I'll come and do the same thing again. And it will run for the next 30 days. And you can customize the date and allow the robot to run for you all through. Like you can customize it to run for you all through the time or the year. Now, the thing I didn't show you is this, that this robot uses fuel to function, gas. So if I click on store, you can see that it has different fuel. And now listen to me. Let me show you this. Even some members who are in this training don't know. I want to show this. Maybe probably learning about this tonight for the first time. Can you see where they write gas? Can you see SVIP and CVIP? And there is one that is not here, which is called the TVIP. Now, listen. Let me show you. The gas is fuel. That's why you're seeing fuel station here. Fuel is the fuel you are required to use to trade the robot. It has nothing to do with speed on how fast the robot is. If you buy a gas of 10,000 or 60,000, like you can see here, or 200,000 or 500,000 or even 1 million, and you have a speed of 1, you will be trading and making profit like somebody who is trading with a gas of 10,000. Let's say you are using a gas of 500,000, but your speed is 1. You will be trading like the same person who is using a gas of what? 10,000. The only thing is that your gas will not finish quickly. Your gas will last very long time. So if your gas should have given you a profit of $10,000 and finished, your gas, because your gas is 500,000, might give you a profit of, let's say, $100,000 before you finish. I'm gonna give you an example. Now, it simply means that the gas is for how long the robot can continue to make profit for you. The SVIP is for those who are using, pay attention now, is for those who are doing copy trading. The CVIP is for those who are trainers, who are coach. Listen, it's called Coach VIP. Coach VIP, that is the name. That's the C stands for coach. It's for people who are training people like us and some others who are trainers. Is the ability they have given to them to be able to coach people. And the TVIP is for you. It's called Trading VIP. It's for traders. Now listen. If, for example, you buy the gas of this one, this is for testing. We don't even use this one, so I'm not going to talk about this one. The minimum gas we buy is $95. If you buy a gas of $95, for example, you are going to be giving 10,000 quantity of the gas. But because your trading guys are kind, they will now give you a speed, which is called the speed 1. They will now give you a TVIP 1. However, you can also decide to buy this speed alone, and it's cheaper to buy it alone. If you buy only speed, you won't have access to gas. But why we always recommend people buying gas is because gas will give you access to speed. Buying speed alone is cheaper. But is it actually cheaper in the real sense? Imagine buying speed without having fuel. It means that you have a big engine that can speed up for a long distance, but you don't have fuel that can carry you to that long distance. So now, if you buy a gas of $540, you'll be given 60,000 quantity of the gas, and they will dash you TVIP 2, that is P2. However, if you want to buy only the speed, instead of paying this $540, you'll be paying only $400. Let's say you want to buy only the speed, but they won't give you access to the gas. So in this place, the speed is 400. The gas is for the other amount. Is that 140 you are seeing there? So if you want to buy gas of 200,000, that is gas of 1,700, you'll be given a quantity of 200,000 and you'll be given a speed of 3, TVIP 3. Now, they also give you access to free coach VIP. This one also comes with coach VIP, CVIP 1, CVIP 2, and CVIP 3. The same thing they give you in trading VIP, they give you in coach VIP. If you buy that of 2,400, they give you TVIP 4. TVIP what? 4. That is the one, this particular account I'm using. This is the one I bought for this account. Now, the other account, my bigger account, I am using this one, this gas of $7,000. The one of $7,000 give me 1 million gas, but give me the highest speed, which is TVIP what? 6. Now, the speed is important, but is it that important than the quantity? The truth is this: the speed is more important than the quantity. As long as the quantity is important, let me give you an example. You want to travel from Benin to Lagos, those who are in Nigeria. You need, and you want to drive at 10 kilometers per hour. Somebody else is driving at 120 kilometers per hour. If you are driving at 10 kilometers, it means that you are, before you can be able to get to Benin, the person who is driving at 120 kilometers might have gone to Benin, come back to Lagos, go again, come back to Lagos, go up to 5 times or more, even up to 10 times before you will be able to reach Lagos. Get to Benin. So some of you have access to the lowest speed, but you have enough gas, but your speed is small, and you want to get to your destination fast. All you need to do is to increase your speed. No longer go to buy gas again. Some of you will go back and buy gas and keep buying more gas. If you buy gas, you'll be given extra speed, but you can actually go and buy speed. If you already have gas, but you now need speed, you can now go, and it is cheaper for you to buy speed and now buy speed directly. I don't think I've talked about this before, but I'm just trying to make it so simple for you guys. Now, let me show you something quickly. Let's look at this. Have I talked about this before? Of course I have not. I haven't detailed this. We just come show you guys the gas, TVIP and the TVIP. But right now I'm showing you every single thing you need to know, so you can be able to know that you can actually buy the speed alone without buying the gas. And it's way cheaper for you to buy the speed. So imagine you have gotten $95 you gas before, and you have gas, you have not used it, but you now want the robot to trade at higher speed for you, and you want to buy the speed 2. Instead of paying $540 again, you can just go and buy the speed 2 at 400. Or you have bought this one already. Instead of buying 1,000, you can now buy at 1,400, you can now buy the speed 3. So you can buy the speed alone, and you also be given. But when you buy the speed alone, pay attention, you won't have access to the coach VIP. So only when you buy the gas, you have access to body. They will give you free coach VIP and free speed. Okay, having said this, let me now show you something. Now, if you look at this, and I come in here, you will see that I look at people who are trading. Let's look at people who are trading with this robot. These are people who are using the automated robot to trade. As you can see, automated robot. And this person has made a profit of $43,000 in the past few months. And he is using the trading VIP 5. Why are they not showing you the CVIP or the gas? They want to show you the speed the person is using to trade. This person have made a profit of $41,000. He's using what? Speed 5, $41,000, speed 4, $40,000, speed 4, $40,000, speed 4. The truth is this: you can never make money with speed 2 if you want to do automated. This is for automated though. Look at this automated. Are you seeing it? It's for automated. So if you want to do automated and you don't have speed 4 minimum, or at least speed 3, just avoid automated trading. You can see speed 5, speed 5. Then you might be wondering, what of we that are broke? We don't have money. Which one will give us money? I am coming to that. Just calm down. Chill. How you can use speed 1, 2, and still make money. I'm coming to that. So you can see speed 5, speed 5, speed 4, speed 5, speed 5. All of them, they are on the top rank 1 to 30. Every day they update it every single day. The person who is on the top 2 might not be top 2 tomorrow. Top 1 to 30 people who are on the top. And you can see the 30th person has made about $39,000. Are you seeing that? So people, what do you observe? People who are doing automated, their profit margin is always in between the same level. There is no difference because it is automated and they are using the same speed. So regardless of their capital, their profit level is between $40,000, $41,000 to what? $39,000. But if you now go to Signal, people who are now using Signal to trade, you will now see that the profit level has changed. It's still the same, almost higher higher speed 5, 6, 5, 4, 6, 5. And the truth is this: I will show you how you can be using automated at the same time. You can also be using Signal at the same time. So the person who is using automated here can also be doing Signal and be doing manual. There's a secret to that. So now imagine this guy is doing automated and it's making like Yotare is making like $40,000 from automated, and it's making $24,000 from what? From Signal. Right? Now you can see all of them. What can you see? Observe that most of them are the same thing. Look at it. Their speed level 6, 5, 5, and etc. like that. If I scroll down to the highest, you see that the minimum is still speed 4. So let's now look at people who are doing manual, which is what we just showed you guys now. Those who are doing manual, you can see this guy has done a profit level of what? Of $94,000. $94,000. Are you seeing that? Look at it. Now, the truth is this: you trading guys don't withdraw. Let me tell you, this guy now have not withdrawn this one. If this guy withdraw $10,000 out of his money, out of his profits, in his exchange, once he withdraw it in his exchange, this profit will reduce to what? $84,000. So this is after he has done his withdrawal for the day. He is still topping by $94,000. Now look at 36. Are you seeing that this price has changes and it's now diversifying? It's no longer in between. And you can see all of them from head to toe. The minimum you can see here is speed 3. You can see speed 4, speed 4, speed 4, speed 3. And you can never see anything less than speed 3. Now, I just showed you, hiding nothing, that to make good capital, to make good money from this particular robot, you need a good speed. What if you don't have capital? What do you do? Now, here comes my deal. If you don't have money to buy a bigger speed, a bigger gas to make more money, there is a way to it. Let's assume you started with speed 1. It's not like speed 1 will not make you money, but some people are just thief. Some people want to steal. Imagine having only $95 gas and $100 capital, and somebody is coming to my DM because another person shared a testimony of how he bought a car. Like a few days ago, we have about 3 of our students that bought cars, brand new SUVs, right? I mean, one bought brand new SUV, another one bought direct Belgian, and like that. Now, the person is saying, I have been in this community for 1 month plus, and I've never been able to. And this guy made about, the guy who bought the car has made about $200,000 plus. He bought a car of 60 million naira. The person said, I've not been able to make 60 million naira. Like, are you a criminal? This is trading. There is a way you can make big money with small money in crypto, but not in trading. Listen, pay attention. People want to make money, big money, with small capital in trading. It is only thief, and it's not possible. We can't allow that in this community because it's not realistic. That is why you see somebody told you, I use $10. I saw an advert on Facebook. But say I use $10 to make, I can't remember the figure, around $100,000 or so. Now, and if the guy says he's in trading, I don't know how he did it. Maybe it's miracle, or I don't know. But it is not realistic. It's not something that is realistic. If you want to make money in trading, listen, let me give you the strategy. Pay attention. Let's assume right now you have a capital of $100. You start with your capital of $100 and you have a TVIP 1, which is the minimum. You know, because your speed is small and your capital is small, the robot cannot trade fast for you. It can't make money faster for you. So it's going to come slowly. You might be making, like, let's say, I don't know how much you make per day. It depends on how you set up the robot. But let me just assume that you are making like $40, $50 per day or $100 per day. Because some of you guys make way. I see some persons with their little capital, they're making up to $300, $400 per day. However, when I look at their trade, I just knew that they're doing something wrong. Now, do the setup we have showed you to do, and you're making that your small capital. Compound it. Listen now, compound it. Now come to what I want to teach you. Use that money that you've compounded. It's already in your crypto exchange. Open a Binance account if you are in Nigeria, anywhere you are, or a Bybit account. And I want to show you something that can help you now scale up that money. But it's not trading. It is not trading. It's called IDO Launchpad investment. Now, however, this is not this kind of investment that some of you guys do that's called investment. You know, some of you guys, let me even say it here, are so naive and you've been doing stupid things. You just carry money. You see a website, they tell you that it's an investment site. You should invest money in this website, and you put money. That is what these scammers in Nigeria we call, and in Ghana we call Yahoo boys. That is what they do. They go and create a website, and this website they create is scam. Their purpose is to scam people, and they will not show their identity, and you will never know the owner of the website. So I don't know how they get to circulate it in the media and follow you up on Facebook or whatever, and tell you that this particular website you can put money, they can double it. And when you put money in there, they will see. And the people that have gotten more among them are those Asian guys that have created this Ponzi scheme that is called MLM, multi-level marketing. And they'll create the Ponzi scheme and they will bring it through multi-level marketing. And what did they do? They will tell you that you should put money that they are trading for you, Omega Pro. There are many of them. It have escaped my mind. There is one that ended recently. I told you guys not to do it. What is his name, please? If you can remember on the comment section. That one that ended recently, that scam people recently. And before, when it was going on, I told you guys not to do it. Somebody please just let me know in the comment section. I'm waiting for you. I told you guys to avoid it. Ended recently. CBEX, thank you, CBEX. CBEX. and one again. So they create platforms like that, and they claim that they are trading crypto. Some of them even tell you that they are using AI to trade. They are using this thing. And they now claim that they have an exchange, or their exchange is scam. The only way you know a real business in crypto world when it comes to crypto is your capital, that your money being in a non-crypto exchange, a decentralized crypto exchange, or a centralized crypto exchange that is popular, like Binance, like Bybit, like KuCoin, Coinbase, and the rest of them. And you are not to be enforced to use a particular crypto exchange. They shouldn't tell you that we only work with Binance. No. What if I don't want to use Binance? They should give you the freedom to use the crypto exchange of your choice. So your capital can be in that crypto exchange, and your robot on their robot will be trading for you inside that exchange. But some of you will still do it, or you know it's scam, you still do it. You know it's not even a crypto exchange, it's an investment website that claim they are trading for you, and they will ask you to go and bring more people, multi-level marketing, that you are going to earn commission. And some of you go and invite your friends, your families, and tell them those so you can earn commission, that they will still take everything away from you because they are scammers. I know you've been victim of this. I have been victim of it. That is why I'm telling you. That is why I know them. And I took my time to study their pattern. I see that their betting place is Africa. When they cook it in Dubai, cook it in most of this Asia, their headquarters is Dubai. All of them, Dubai, all of them, Dubai. They go to these Asian countries and they cook it. They bring it to Africa, and they take it to some part of Asian countries that feel that we're like Indians. So stay away from such scam. You want to do real investments in crypto? This is what I want to teach you. How do you go about it? Open your crypto exchange. Now let's head over to it. You're using Binance for an example. So I'm going to come here, share my screen. I am going to open my Binance. When you open Binance, go to and download Binance, okay? Once I've opened Binance, I will come here and click on this side on the top. You can see here, wallet, not exchange. Look at the top, wallet. Or if you can't see it here, you click on home, and then you click on this arrow, and then you then click on more services, and you search for what? Binance Wallet. You can see it. You click on Binance Wallet. Once you open it, I'm using my I just opened this account to use it for training for you. Now, once you open this particular account, I will log into my other account and show you the trade I'm doing here. If you want to open it new, for you that is opening it new, they will not allow you to, to open it. You have to do some few things, just very simple. They'll ask you to put your, either your password or your Google Authenticator or stuff like that. It's been long I do these things, and then you can be able to open it. It's very simple. Now, once we are here, you can connect your DApp. You can add a new connection if you want. Okay. If you want to, I can connect this to my my Pancake Swap. I can link my Pancake Swap to this place, and it will be working right inside this particular place that is using that DApp. But I want to show you what we called launch. I call it IDO Launchpad. Remember the one I normally show you inside Binance is called Launchpad. The difference is that this one, Launchpad. Oh, sorry. Launchpad is for IDOs, initial desk offering, and Launchpad. Launchpad is for IEOs, initial exchange offering. Now, And Launchpad can also be for ICOs, but we don't do ICOs here. You guys know already. We don't do ICOs. In fact, Binance, I don't think they even accept ICOs. All I've been seeing in their Binance wallet is only IDOs. So before we enter the main thing, let me just show you why I chose Binance Wallet. Let me show you because this thing is crazy. Like you guys, I want to blow up your mind right now, right? So let me just show you something now. Let me just show you something now. I'm going to come here. I want to open a new web. I'm coming. I'm so sorry for taking your time today. I don't know if but if you are tired, well, you can leave the meeting if you're tired. You know, I know most of you are still here, but if you think you're tired, I'm so sorry for taking your time. But the truth is that there is no way we can pass adequate information without taking our time. Like, if I actually want to train you, I have to spend time. And some of you will want me just go straight to the point. I have been going straight to the point all along. But the truth is that I need to start from scratch so even a newbie can understand and follow my teachings. And if you've been enjoying the trainings all along, please just let me know in the comment section or just pin the love emoji for me. That you've been enjoying it, just pin the love. Aha, beautiful. I can see the love emoji now. Now that I can see it, I'm good. So right now I am in crypto rank. If I come to crypto rank, I just want to show you why I chose it. And I click here. I don't know, maybe I should have done this with my iPad. I click here. Where can I see it again? Let me look at IDO ICOs. Okay, let me look at Launchpads. Let me look at Launchpad. Let me know if I can see it here. Launchpads. Can you see here? The number one is Binance Wallet. What are you seeing? Is Binance Wallet. With the current ROI of 6.84x. Now, you might be thinking that it's a choice. This 6.8. It's not just like your profit. It's not like or the sort of investment ROI. It's like the ROI of the wallet itself. Look at other. I love DAO Maker. You guys know that I love DAO Maker. I love platform like DAO Maker. I love ChangeGPT. I love all these things you are seeing here. Just Fund 3 CDFI is my favorite. Coin Terminal, I love all these ones. Communitas, I use them a lot. GameFi, I use this thing a lot. Bing Starter, these are the ones. Engine Starter, Launchbook, I use all these things a lot. But do you know why? Recently, I have not been paying attention to Binance Launchpad and Binance Wallet, rather. I can tell you the truth. Until recently, I was just going through the coins in my IDO checklist, and I discovered that most of the coins that I ignored were all on Binance watch list, and they did powerfully well. Binance watch list. They were all on Binance wallets, rather, on their IDO's watch list. I saw it, I ignored them. And I ignored them because it was on Binance wallet. I don't use it. I was doing more of DAO Maker. This thing changes. Tomorrow, it might not be number one, but for now, they are number one IDO Launchpad in terms of performance. In terms of performance. Sorry for that. I don't know. I think I had a call. So at the end, number one. So because of our time, we might not be able to finish this particular class, but I promise I'm going to be back tomorrow. I'm going to be back for you tomorrow, and it's going to be a free meeting. So tomorrow, I'm going to continue from where I stopped on the Binance wallet. I want to show you how you can be able to turn your $10. See, in IDO, you guys, some of you guys were my old students. You saw it. You were in the meeting. In a live meeting, I turned $20 to $20,000 in a live meeting like this, and it's on YouTube. I did an IDO. What I want to show you, an IDO project. I put $20 and it became $20,000. I did this in a day in a live meeting. Come for another live meeting. We check the same Launchpad after 3 days interval. It was $20,000 profit. That was cash out from it. So it's something you can do with small capital, with any capital at all, and you yield good profit. So we're not going to be focusing on Binance wallet alone. I'm going to show you other ones that are also doing well, but I want to teach you Binance wallet first tomorrow. So I want to beg you, please make sure you're available tomorrow. And I want to say this before some of you don't want to stay to the end of the meeting. You don't want to
Make sure you won't stay to the end of the meeting until the meeting is cut off. Please, if you are using trading robot to trade, which I believe most of you here are using it, and you have money, and you load your account for this Bullrun, go and buy extra gas. And if you want to make money, increase your trading VIP. This is just the truth. You see, most of you guys want to get Welchman's result, Yusuf result. There was a guy that chatted me up today, Ola. The guy, I'm going to share the screenshot after this meeting. The guy made $50,000. I don't know the time frame. I didn't ask him, but when I checked it, it was in a short time. In a short time, he's using VIP 4. Imagine the capital. Now, Ola, that is Ola. Yusuf is currently doing almost $500,000 profit. In fact, I think he's breaking Mohammed's results. Yusuf is gradually breaking Mohammed's results. Yusuf is using $7,000 gas. Mohammed is using $7K gas, so you might not be able to target at making $500,000 profit in that short time. I mean, these are people making this money within 6 months interval. However, if it is 540, 17, the higher the speed you can increase, the better for you. So go increase your speed, and for the Bullrun, buy extra gas, because when the market is going to start pumping, your gas might get exhausted. And lastly, pay attention. The coins I gave you guys to buy, there is also a time to sell. I know 90% of you guys have purchased, apart from the last batch, which I've held for a reason. Now, if you have purchased this coin in the 10K group and in the inner group, because I know some of you guys buy small of them, the ones I give in the inner group, I am going to tell you the time to sell. And I will not tell you the time to sell the individual coin. So I am organizing a special training on Friday on how to know your exit points for individual coin. So I'm going to tell you the time I believe BTC have gotten to its all-time high. I want to back up the market. However, it is not compulsory you sell off. Then, imagine I told you guys a story, how I made $11,400 from $20 capital investment in a coin, and my students made $600,000 from the same coin. Why? I asked him to sell, but he refused. So now I know better anyways. I'm going to give you an exit strategy and exit point, but it's better you take profit than leaving it there. After taking profit, it might continue going up. It's better you collect that profit than leaving it there. Remember, we are not using trading robot to do the investment. We are buying it directly from the exchange. That is to buy the coins and hold. The coins I gave you guys to buy and hold, you are not buying it with trading robots. I did a video step by step on how to buy and hold them, and you can only do that with what? Inside any of your exchange. So lastly, I will never charge you to ask for money. We don't pay money for our trainings. If you belong to any of our group chats and somebody is private chatting you, scamming, there are a lot of scam. Like when I was going through Telegram and TikTok and all those media, I discovered that I don't popular. People are using my picture front and back, but I don't want to be popular for the wrong reason. People are using my pictures to scam people front and back. Please don't fall for that scam. I beg you, don't fall for that scam. I will never ask you for money. Even if they give you my account, you see the account number is treating my name full time. Don't pay the money. If they write my name in the account number, do not pay. If they give you a crypto wallet, don't pay. And be careful with your money. Don't stop clicking anything, anyhow, anything, and stop sending people your private informations. The only thing my admins will ask you to send a screenshot of your asset in trading. And the reason why they're asking it is to confirm your registration with your ID. But if somebody asks you to send a code in your email, it says scammer. We'll never ask you for code in your email. Somebody asks you to pay money to join the inner group. Please listen. Once you buy your gas, Chat our admins on the Telegram or WhatsApp to add you to the inner group. If you purchase $95 yogas, if you purchase $540 yogas, 1,700 and above, chat them to add you to the 10K group. And right now, we might be we want to actually filter the 10K group for some reasons. There is 10K group for non-traders. I want to start it again because it's crazy. So I'm going to start a new 10K group, and people in the inner group can be able to join that 10K group without even buying higher. So I'm going to actually do that. I'm working on that already. Now, I said earlier, I said again, if you buy $540 yogas, 1,700, 2,400, 3,750, 7,000, you'll be added to the $1 million gang group or the 10K group. They are the same thing. There, you'll be given a higher strategy to trade and make money. There, you'll be mentored on the strategies that will make you more money. There, you'll be given coins to buy and hold for the bull run. There is like our VIP group where we give you more, things that will help you make more money. That is where you'll be giving those coins I'm mentioning you can buy and hold for the bull run. That is where they are giving. But if you buy the $95, which is the minimum, you will be in the inner group. There, you'll be given also a strategy to trade and make small profit. Because yes, I will just tell you the truth. Like when I mean small profits, you can make good profit according to your capacity. But you can start from there. When you make money, you can migrate to the next one. But if you have money to get it faster, you move to a higher yogas and get it faster. But when you chat up an admin or anybody private chat you, asking you for anything, we will never chat you first. My admins can never be the one to chat you first. You must be the one to chat us, not the other way around. We cannot be the one to chat you. So don't go and lose your money in the hand of scammers and come back to my DM to cry that you were scammed. Or even tell me that I take your money because you saw my face, you saw my picture. I am warning you. I will not chat you. I won't request for your money. I won't request your private information. Do keep it, and my admins will never request for that. Once you buy your yogas, all you need to do is to chat the admins up, or you have any question related to anything, be the one to chat up the admins, and they will answer your questions. Shikena. At this point, I believe I have communicated the information. If you enjoy this training before you run and go, because most of you want to run and go, just pin the love emoji for me again. Don't go, pin the love emoji and comment I enjoyed it. I want to see those who enjoyed the training. Comment I enjoyed it, spin the love emoji for me. Let me see those who are spinning it. Maybe we might do giveaway. I think I will plan a giveaway for those who are always consistently attending the meeting. I normally watch those who are always attending my meeting. Yes. Okay, thank you. Ambassador, Sma, Adebayo, Jacob, Jonah, Austin, Justin. So thank you. Spin the love emoji, guys. Keep spinning the love emoji if you enjoyed the training. Thank you so much for today's meeting. Thank you so much for attending the meeting and everything. And we're going to be live here again tomorrow by 9 p.m. Do not miss it for anything. And don't forget, if you're here to get your gas, head over right now and go and buy your gas and join our mentorship training and join us to make money together. Let's ride on together and create wealth together. See you guys in the next meeting. Have a wonderful day.